Adiós. Let's go back.
So guys, I want to make mango leaf tea this morning. So let's go and pluck some mango leaf. Let's go and pluck some mango leaf and prepare mango leaf tea. Let's go and get some mango leaf. This is mango tree here. So come with me. Come with me, Mama. So you want to follow me? Anywhere mommy goes.
Ando bater insat. Ando bater insat.
This is okay. This is okay. So let's go and prepare tea for the family. So guys, let's wash it. Wash it very well. Mama. Okay, now I'm going to cook it. I'm going to set fire and then cook it. This is how we set fire in the village, oh? I'll cover this. Yes. Let's check our tea.
Ame yawo.
Our Our mango tea is ready. Mango leaf tea is ready.
Jesus.
This thing is hot. Good, very healthy. So this is it. You see the colors change. The aroma is very nice. The aroma is very nice. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video, subscribe. It's very hot. I'll leave it to cool down, then I will drink it and show you guys, okay? Thank you. Bye bye. Wow. It tastes so good. I like it though. It's not bitter. It's not bitter. It's nice. Very nice. You want to drink? Oh my goodness. My baby wants to drink. Hello baby girl. It's not good for you, okay? It's for adults.